Welcome to Mr. Jaw's class, where I, Mr. Jaw, cover educational topics in a short amount of time. Let's get started. Hello students, let's review isotope notation, naming atoms. So let's review what is an isotope. An isotope is an atom with the same number of protons but different number of neutrons. Please write this down. Next, let's review the nucleus, the center of an atom. The center of the atom is known as the nucleus, and it is comprised of two particles, the proton, which has a positive charge, and a neutron, which has a neutral charge. Example 1. Let's see if you can name this atom. It has one proton and one neutron. What is this atom called? It is called hydrogen because it has one proton, and hydrogen is the first element on the periodic table. And what's its last name? Let's go ahead and count the particles. We have 1, 2. So it is hydrogen 2. Pretty straightforward. Go ahead and draw this atom in your notebook. Next, let's name this atom. First, count the number of protons. It has 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 protons. Take a look at the periodic table. What atom has 4 protons in its nucleus? It is going to be beryllium, because beryllium's atomic number is 4. Now what's its last name? Let's go ahead and count. We have 4 protons and we have 6 neutrons. So its last name is going to be 6 plus 4. It's going to be 10. It's beryllium 10. You getting the idea? Okay. Go ahead and draw this atom in your notebook. All right, let's look at another example. We're going to do this in reverse. This is lithium 6. Go ahead and draw what you think this looks like in your notebook. Lithium 6 looks like this. Lithium is the third element on the periodic table, and if we want to get to that 6 number, we have to add a 3 on top of the 3 protons. So that's why it looks like this. If yours doesn't look like this, go ahead and draw this in your notebook now. Name this atom in your notebook. This atom has how many protons? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So take a look at the periodic table. What is the 5th element on the periodic table? It is boron. What's boron's last name in this particular isotope? Okay, so we have 5 protons. How many neutrons do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 plus 5 is going to be 10. Go ahead and draw this in your notebook. All right, let's do this in reverse. I want you to take a look at the name of the element and then go ahead and draw this atom in your notebook. Lithium 7. So if you did it properly, you should have something that looks like this. You see? How many protons do we have? 3. How many neutrons do we have? We have 4, because 3 plus 4 is 7. So this is lithium 7. If you didn't get this, go ahead and draw this now. Let's do a final example. Go ahead and draw this atom in your notebook. This is beryllium 11. Beryllium 11 looks like this. First, what is beryllium's atomic number? It is going to be 4. So it's going to have 4 protons. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 protons. So what number can I add to 4 to get to 11? That's going to tell me the number of neutrons. 4 plus 7. It must have 7 neutrons. So you just learned isotope notation.